Here at the pumpkin patch, Larocks are in the house. It's pumpkin season, Halloween 2020. Larocks are in the building. Nana Larock, wifey Larock, Rico Larock. Say hi to the people.
Hi.
Hey guys, let's get this thing popping. Plenty of kitties around here, plenty of pumpkins around here. Guess we're gonna get in this train ride over here. Pretty long line. It's a nice day out here today. I'm gonna jump on that train right there. Okay, so since the girls decided not to get in the train because they like it's Corona and we don't want to be all close with all the people, we decided just to skip that part. So they have some little animals over here. We want to check out the animals. They'd be perfect for Larocks cooking adventures. There's some more goat chops, lamb chops. Heck yeah. Yeah. Look at these little dudes. Don't put your hand out there. You need to get some snacks, some peanuts or something. What they got? Good God, it's stink. What they got over there if they're feeding them? 3 pigs in the house.
I'm gonna just feed them meat.
Huh?
I'm gonna just feed them meat.
We gotta feed them some. We gotta get some hookup for them. See, the people got the bag. What is it?
That's that doggy with the hat.
That looks like the wolf. That's the bad wolf, because these are 3 little pigs. Look, the pig up top on the roof. Then the pig right here. I don't know what this pig doing. And then the pig over there creeping, hiding. They don't want to get the big bad wolf. Oh. Oh, he just stole your bag. Give it back. Give it back. Back. You gotta help him out. Let's see if we can get it from him. Oh, there you go. He dropped it. What is that? Corn? You want to get out, don't you, buddy? What are these 2 little dudes doing? They in the bath or what? Barnyard rules. Move quickly through the gate. Do not let the animals out. Do not chase the animals. You may pet them. Don't pick them up. Try no strollers allowed. Sorry, no strollers are allowed. What is that? Hey. Oh, horsey. Oh yeah, you can go in there. Please park your strollers here. But I'm good on going in there. Look at that horsey.
Daddy, bunny.
Bunny?
Yeah.
Bunny Larock.
Wow.
Hey Bunny, say hi to the people. Alright, you not talking? Being antisocial? Oh, you want to ride the horse? No. That's Penelope. Please do not pick up the rabbit. Put that rabbit in my pot. Rabbit stew. Rabbit season. Duck season. Got some chickens and turkeys. Got duckies. Oh, there they go. I might go to ducks. Speaking of ducks, I got a really great video on ducks done by Chef Joe Lennon. I put a card up for that where he rendered some duck turkeys. Turkey season is coming up soon. That's a big boy right there. Boy, you would look good more often. I'm guessing that's probably Mother Goose or something like that. The big Easter bunny house. What's going on here? The Easter Bunny House. Restoration and preservation was made possible by our corporate funding sponsors. Shout out to corporate sponsors. We need some of those on the Rocks Cooking Adventures. We need any kind of sponsors. Corporate, personal, doesn't matter. We'll give you some of the help. E-I-E-I-O.
Bunny over there. This is another bunny.
Another bunny?
Yeah.
This is the Easter Bunny House.
Yeah. Look at these chicks.
Chickity, chickity, chick.
I know what's this.
Chip, chip, chip. Chip, 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 chip. Chip, 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 chip.
Let's go here.
Please do not pick up the rabbit tail chicks. That must happen a lot around here. Oh wow. Emu eggs, goose eggs, turkey eggs, duck eggs, chicken eggs, bantam chicken, robin dove. Where the quail eggs, little teeny tiny quail eggs. Let's see, old English chicken, white Holland chicken, Wyandotte chicken. I don't know how you say that. New Hampshire red, malted Java, black Australope, something like that. I don't know how you say that one either. Rico, what was that? Cow? Baka? Hey, this things look a little light. I'm a little bit nervous over there. Hey, buddy. Got a little piglet? Humble pig, Halloween style. He tied in them up. This one look like the turnout. Man, it's over there relaxing. Huh? Sound like Rick Ross. Huh? Kind of look like him too. Yeah. Just kidding. Shout out to Rick Ross. It's nice?
Yes.
Very good.
Soft.
It's soft?
Yes.
Make sure you wash your hands. Well, wait, man. Where's the pumpkins at around here? That's all I want to know. I ain't seen no pumpkins in the field yet. Just seen some in the basket up front. I think I got hacked. Guys, remember this. Ponies and donkeys can bite. Always use caution. You don't want to get bit or kicked. Howdy, my name is Buddy. My name is Arlo. Now, is this Buddy or Arlo? I don't know. Hey, Arlo, buddy. How about that? What you doing? What you doing? This place, many years ago, was all crops. Corn and all that type of stuff. And they have converted it maybe, I don't know, 15 or so years ago into this little farm theme park. Used to be huge farmland. Used to stretch all the way back. And this is the emu situation. My name is Moo. How appropriate. And I believe that's Moo there. Rico. Moo is thirsty. And I'm something to drink. Hey Moo. What's poppin'? Burner Whip got options. Oh, you heard me. Come here, Moo. Say hi to the people. Say hi to the people at Larockscooking Adventure, Moo. Moo. Emu. Emu in the house. Picasa and Captain Jack. And gotta go. So, no, Larock, how are you liking this here little, no pumpkin patch, but, little farm?
It's cute. It smells really bad though, but
Smells really
still
bad?
trying to find the pumpkins.
Yeah, I don't know
where they
either. I think we got had about the pumpkins.
Yeah.
Only pumpkins we seen was on the ground walking in here, and a big bucket of pumpkins. So I guess this isn't like traditional style pumpkins. I remember being a kid with Mama Larock going to pumpkin patches that had like pumpkins all over the place, and you would just run around and go grab you a pumpkin. Actually, I remember doing chaperoning one of your field trips when you were younger in elementary school. We had the hay rides and you guys just ran out in the field. I still have pictures of that. Rico found some friends. So I guess they did have a pumpkin patch. As it says here, hayride drops you off at the pumpkin patch. So we're gonna jump on that pumpkin patch ride at some point. Rico Larocks is gonna take this here horse ride. It's gonna be real quick.
Alright, hold on then. Okay? You ready?
Rico, shout out to people at Larockscooking Adventures. I'm gonna go smack the horse and turn this ride all the way up. Hey, how the horse is on rag. You look like a real cowboy there, son. And we're done.
Thank you.
So to keep washing your hands, guys, especially out here with this corona situation. You want to try to stay healthy as possible, clean as possible. Alright, let's go get on the pumpkin patch ride. Over there. No, Larock, let's do it. Alright, so we're gonna get on this pumpkin patch ride. Everybody say hey ho, hey ho. Okay, Larockscooking Adventure is on this hay ride. Gonna go get us some pumpkins and probably wrap this thing up. And Larock. Alright, Larockscooking Adventures, we're off. Hey Rico, talk to the people.
We're going on a ride.
Where are we going on the ride to? Where are we gonna go get? The pumpkins?
Yeah.
To the pumpkin patch? Have you ever been to a pumpkin patch before? Huh?
No.
No, you haven't? You have been to a pumpkin patch 3 times already. When you were a little baby, when you were 1, when you were 2. So you've been to a pumpkin patch. Actually, this is your 4th time.
No, I went to a pumpkin patch when I was 4.
Now, yeah. The Mary Miller's house. Okay. So it looks like we're pulling up on the pumpkin patch. Some dead sunflowers. The most beautiful sunflowers I've seen was in Italy. It was like miles and miles and miles of beautiful sunflowers. Bianca, what part of Italy was that where we saw that on the highway we saw like miles of sunflowers? But where was that area? When we went to what, Jezero Beach? Okay, so guys, we're gonna get off here. We're gonna hunt through these pumpkins and see if we can find something. Nice. That's the first one you picked already? Didn't even take a look.
A big pumpkin here.
Yeah, there's not two big pumpkins.
This is a big pumpkin.
Yeah, this looks nice.
Wifey Larock, say something to the people.
Hi, people. These are all small pumpkins. Don't swing it.
Bam!
Oh my God.
You got on your chips glasses like. What's over there? Picnic area or something? What's one of these pumpkins you guys like? Maybe we'll gut these things and make some seeds and some pumpkin pie. Pumpkin pie's in the house.
I got a big pumpkin, Dad.
You got a big one?
Can I get some more?
No. I only bought two. One for you, one for Nana.
2?
Yeah. Maybe we look at the front when we get out of here. Uh-oh. Pumpkin guts. So, these two guys have found their pumpkins. This is Larock's Cooking Adventures at the Pumpkin Patch. We're going to go ahead and sign out and get out of here. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share. The Larocks signing off. Rico Larock, Nana Larock, Wifey Larock,
Hey.
and Larock.
And like
Bye.
this.